Hey guys, welcome to Stash Smash Saturday! Yes. Okay, so I am still, my desk looks like a mess. I am still working with this Simple Stories collection, the Birthday Blast. I only have one 12 by 12 left, and then tons of scrap papers that I had added. Yeah. Lots of good rainbow. Lots of good colors. So I have all that. Lots of embellishments left. But I had this. Where'd my rainbow paper go? This is my last 12 by 12. Okay? So what I love about even their very themed collections, there's usually a side you can use for other things. So I plan on using this side. One of my 7 items is wood grain, so I pulled this from my stash. I did have Peachy Keen. I think I still have Fancy Pants Peachy Keen, some left over. I don't think I killed that completely. I don't remember at the moment. I don't think so. I think it's somewhere. But I got an extra one of these, I think, in like a grab box or something. And I really like this wood grain. I like that it's like a light wood grain. So one of my 7 items is wood grain. So we're going to use this. I think I'm going to paint these Dusty Attic Sketches chipboard gears. They're gear corners. I think I'm going to paint them a certain color. We're going to use those because one of my other things I'm supposed to use is gears. I've got fussy cut items I need to do and kid embellishments. So I have this Chamel paper, all the dinosaurs. I have this photo of my son. Sorry. From the school fun run that I think, did I get sent this or did I take this? I took this when he got in the car. So his face was painted like a dinosaur. Each year they do like a theme, and each class does like their own theme so you can picture them. So this was when he was in kindergarten, and they all got their faces painted like dinosaurs. He sweated so much that it looks like he washed his face. So that's what I want to document. And I also have his lap card, which is awesome. They keep track of how many laps they ran. And as a kindergartner, he ran 15 laps. And it's around like a football field, smaller than a football field. Is it like half a football field? I can't remember the length, but that's a lot. And I think for just this last year, he did 21 or 20. I don't remember. I have his lap card, though, for 2nd grade. I don't remember what I did with his 1st grade lap card. But what my thought is I was going to use this as my background. I'm going to cut a big chunk and almost do like a half and half design, but make this half a pocket so I can slip this in and we can pull it out, and then I'll have journaling on it as well. But we're going to fussy cut a bunch of these items. I have a couple dinosaurs I can fussy cut off this patterned paper as well, so I'm going to do that. I've got these tags I can cut out. I wasn't sure if I wanted to use this dinosaur strip anywhere. I thought about it. I might, because I don't have a ton left on this sticker sheet. Hey, Rebecca, does this count as a 12 by 12 sticker sheet? Because it technically is. So we're going to use it. That's going to be my sticker sheet. And then I can bring in some branding strips. I'm going to find some branding strips to use as well out of my stash to bring that in. So I've got almost everything. I think that's everything. Oh, just not punches. Just not punches. Which... I still may be able to use punches. We'll see. Then if I could use all 7 items, I'd be so proud of myself. So that's the plan. I haven't decided what color I want to do these in and where they're exactly going to go on the page yet. So I think I'm going to wait and assemble the page, and then we'll decide what color they're going to be and where they're going to go. And then we'll use some other embellishments and things. I pulled these out for my Product Focus Friday layout yesterday, and I think I'm going to leave them on my desk and try to use these thickers. I have so many alpha thickers, so I think I'm just going to leave these on my desk until I use them up. Like, I'm going to use them, so you might see me use them on literally every single layout until they're gone, or until I can't make any words out of them. And then, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what we'll do from there, but I like them because you can also color them. I inked them yesterday, so if you didn't see that, check that out. And make sure you go check out Rebecca, if I haven't explained that already, because yeah, there's a lot of good stuff in this sticker book yet too. So yeah, let me get to fussy cutting and cutting my papers and figuring all that out, and we'll go from there. So I will be back with you shortly. I have actually been able to use all 7 items. So I've put my gears in these places and I really like the way they look. I kind of like the way they look as raw chipboard, but I'm going to test out spraying them or coloring them. I think I'm going to try red just because since I had them out, these big Chamel 6x8 papers for journaling, I glued his Fun Run Lap thing on top of one and then border punched one of the papers, one of the scraps. It's balloons, but you can barely tell that's what it is, in this red to be my little pull-out spot, which I really enjoy. And then I thought about, putting these gears here. We won't put them too close, but kind of as the placeholders so it doesn't fall down as much. And I did glue, the top and bottom are glued, so it's not going to follow the page. But just for a spot for it to rest for pulling out the journaling. I've just crazy matted my photo with some scraps, and I really like the way that looks, all the rainbow color. And then this leaves room. I'm definitely going to fussy cut. Where did I put it? This big dinosaur out, and then I might even use what's left over to mat this one more time so it has a solid mat of black around it. So we will see how that works, but I think the dinosaur needs to go here for sure. So I'm thinking about doing the gears in red. I'm going to spritz one of them and see how it looks, or I'll do them all in a different color. I don't know, I haven't decided, but they kind of look nice just raw chipboard as well, or I could even do white. I don't know. I still haven't decided that. I have to figure out a title. I was just going to do Fun Run. But I realized the page before it with his whole class, that's already the title on there. So I can't do that. So I got to figure out a title and something that actually works. I don't have an S anymore in these alphas, so I got to go kind of figure that out. But I'm really liking the way this looks. I got that border sticker down here. I've got my branding strip here. So after I get the things fussy cut, and they are kid embellishments to sprinkle, and these are technically fussy cut as well. After I get that, we will have all 7 items, which I'm super proud of myself. So I'm going to go do a bunch of fussy cutting, and I'll be back, and we'll be able to glue down our photo. It's going to be weird because the photo's going to be glued down, but not here. I have to remember not to glue it there. And then we'll get this large dinosaur put over there, and then figure out where the heck we're going to put the title and what the title is going to be. So fussy cutting and figuring out the title. That's the only thing I have to do yet. Oh yeah, and decide on if these should be colored or not. But I'm really liking the way this is coming together. It's super fun. So yeah, I'm going to get to fussy cutting and playing with coloring these and see if I like it or not, and I'll be back. I actually really like them red, so I painted one red and I let it dry, and then I came back and I checked it out and I really liked it, so I did them all, and I did them in Wed Wagon Original Shimmers paint in the pots. It's not the same red, but I like the effect. So we're gonna glue these in the corners. And then we're going to glue these ones in these corners. And then I did do all my fussy cutting. So I've got my Brachiosaurus, my Velociraptor. Cut these tickets out. I've got a Stegosaurus, a Triceratops, a Pteranodon, and a T-Rex. Can you tell I have a child who likes dinosaurs? I know what they all are. So we're going to put those around the page too. Trying to think if there's anything. I'm gonna look through the actual ephemera and stuff for the birthday collection, and then this was where I cut that Brachiosaurus. I'm totally gonna be able to do a mat of black around this photo too, so I'm gonna do that really quick, and then I'll get these glued down.
I'll kind of figure out where I want to put these and figure out other ephemera and other pieces that we need, because I think I have everything required. All my little extra things. Yeah, all my extra things are done. So I'm going to do that really quick, and then I will be back with you. All right, I got that stuff glued down. I added my dinosaurs, and I really liked all these tickets, so I added all of them. I'm going to make my title be Face Off because his face paint melted off, so I thought that would work. I'm going to glue these letters down because they're American Crafts stickers, so they stick not at all anymore. Okay, I lied. They stick a tiny bit. So Face Off. And then I think we're just going to grab some of these puffies. Some of these puffies. Should we use up the rest of the sparkly ones? I think so. Sprinkle some of those around. Probably have to glue those down. I like that. Yay right there. And then this pulls out. So I just have to do my journaling in there, which I will. I'll just tell a nice long story about it. About his sweatiness. And there you have it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for coming to join me for Stash Smash Saturday. Make sure you go check out Rebecca's if you haven't already. So, of my, I think I can finally retire this birthday collection from Simple Stories. I have a million embellishments. So now I can embellish any birthday party themed page I want. But I only have this piece, and these two small pieces of paper left. These were, oh wait, that one. These were supplemental. These were brought in from something else. So yeah, we've got that. That one is smashed. I have used it. I just have so many birthday embellishments now. So yeah. I'm gonna tuck this one away and we'll play with something else next week, which is awesome. I do have things in here that we can use for other things, which is good. But that's gonna go in the leftovers bin here. And we call this page done. So thank you again, you guys. We will see you next Saturday for another Stash Smash Saturday. Otherwise, stay tuned for my channel for more videos. I have one coming up tomorrow and on Tuesday. We've got all sorts of fun over here. So, once again, I appreciate you all. Bye.